Every RTI cable that we built has one thing in common: it solves a problem. So we set out to build new cables between the United States and Asia, providing diversity and the latest and greatest 100G technology. And that led us to an island in the middle of the Pacific.
It just amazed me that nobody actually thought about Guam being as a hub.
Guam being a natural point in the Pacific that is US-owned, US protectorate. Russ and I started to explore the possibility of landing the cable here in Guam with GTA.
Our first investment was the CUS cable, with NEC as our supplier. The vessel was loaded in November 2016, and the cable landed in Hermosa Beach on January 13th, 2017. As CUS stretched across the Pacific, we forged a link to the University of Hawaii, giving them a new high-speed east-west route to serve their data needs, especially the need to move petabytes of data nightly from their astronomy assets on Haleakala and Mauna Kea.
The prospect of Hong Kong Guam and Japan Guam Australia coming online within the next few years makes our capacity going to Guam that much more valuable to us.
It was always my intention to build the Hong Kong Guam cable system and interconnect it to CUS. RTI alone will be able to provide protected capacity between Hong Kong and the west coast of the United States. And HKG will provide diversity to our other cable investments via Guam. We are now well into building the JGA cable system. The cable will go from Tokyo to Guam and then onward to Sydney, and the combined capacity between the two cables will exceed 50 terabits. This will be the fastest cable between Australia and Tokyo, and also the fastest cable between Australia and Hong Kong, and the second fastest path between Australia and the United States. But far from Sydney's central business district, the Sunshine Coast approached RTI with a serious proposal to land a branch of JGA South in Maroochydore. This will give Australia a redundant West Coast connection and expand this resort community into a high-tech hub. We're very excited to be working with the Sunshine Coast, and they've focused their efforts on trying to build the best possible business park and landing station to support this incredible effort. The Sunshine Coast branch solves problems, and that is our philosophy. It's the first cable ever landed outside of the Sydney corridor on Australia's east coast. It provides essential diversity for the country, and it enables faster data transmission. It's a game changer for every Australian.